vlogger for one day. Okay, let's play that song again. Ayan na, ayan na.
Dito lang. Ay, tumatama. Ay, kunya man, nya na siguro.
So, I want to make sure
Ang music mo na. Music mo na, paki-off yung music lang. Bye, sige po.
So, good evening everyone. I want to make it short because I understand na sana ba yung oras? 9 p.m. na, no? And of course, all of you have your lives to get back to also. But, ayun, first of all, I want to thank you for, you know, for those of you who keep showing up for my father. Kay, this is not an easy situation to navigate. The whole family, from the whole family, dako kayo nga pasalamat sa inyong tanan. Kay, it's been, pila na ba ka months? 5 months, yes. 5 months, no? Unya, wala gihapoy pag-undang suporta and paghigugma ang among nadawat. So, daghang salamat sa inyo. I know that I said kanina na my father was okay. He is okay. He sounded lively and sharp as usual. But of course, his situation is not to be taken lightly because he has said that the loneliness does get to him more intensely and more frequently than he'd like to admit. So, ayun, that's why I try to be as persistent as possible because I know that the family, the whole family, and you, all of you, we keep him going. So, maato. With that being said, it keeps him going. The constant communication from to the visits, the calls, and of course my daily letters. So I left The Hague. The first time I left The Hague was April 16, I think. April 16. So I've been writing him daily letters, good, and I have not stopped. So and he told me that from time to time he does go over them when he gets lonely. And so kato, when I visit him tomorrow, at least I can update him nga naamo na nandito kayo lahat ngayon. So I'm sure that he will be very happy and grateful to hear it. Again, daghan kayo salamat sa inyo. Ayun, I will not make this very long na kay I know that all of you are busy also. And gabi na pod, so mga tulog na tatanan. Actually, nagakulot na ni akong buhok diri sa taas kay pasabot ana haggard na pod ko, no? Atugon na pod ko. Pero daghang salamat sa inyo. Dili na ko magtagalog kay mabash na sa daan eh. Dili magud ko hawd. Pero ayun, maraming salamat sa inyo. And I wanted to show up today to show my appreciation for your unwavering loyalty and support and love for President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Daghang salamat gyud sa inyo. And I hope dili ta muundang hantod sa makauli siya because kita lang ang iyang hope, no? Kada gabi when he is about to sleep, he told me that all he does, sometimes he looks by the window and he thinks of all the people that love him and all the people that he loves. So, mga kababayan ko, let us keep my Dada Rudy, your Tatay Digong, let us keep him going. Salamat sa inyo.
Duterte! 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 Bring him home! Bring him home!
All of us at The Hague.
Bring him home! Bring him home!
All of us at The Hague.
Bigay mo na.
Bigay mo na yung flowers.
Siren at Netherlands.
Okay, photo op. Okay, photo op, photo op. Kung malay mo ka photo op, dito na, or you want sa stairs?
Magbuhat ba ka? Akong balay lang ba ako? Hindi lang siguro na to apilon akong medyas, no? Kay buhat kayo. Wala ko pa prepare ba? O sige. Paano?
Ito kayo, Tony. Dito kayo. Tulbo. Hulok ka din. Samanto. Tulbo man. Hello. Okay na po si Kitty. Pero nagdako na magkain nito Kitty. Kasi makabot pa ka, mag-picture pa. Ready? Kasi makapos po kayo pagpupas. Sige. 1, 2, 3. Ay, sorry. 1, 2, 3. Nakuha lagi hulog. Nausap na siya. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you, Kitty, and of course, our prayers and love to your Tatay Digong.
Sige na,
Wait. Ma'am, how much time do you have? Can we please line up 10 minutes? Let's cooperate. Let's cooperate, okay? Dito. Everyone line up here from this end. Okay.
Itigo ko talaga lang muna. Ako na wala mga picture. Mga sa YouTube.
Okay, please, we have 10 minutes.
Wait lang. Doon pala yung namita si Dok. Wait lang.
Ganito na lang. Because our permit is only until 9. One long line. Pupunta na lang si Kitty line by line. Okay? One long line.
Linya na please. Pag-speak operate. Salamat.
Camera.
Prepare your camera, please.
Wala, paningot na rin. Ako rito.
Okay, let's move now here. Okay, now here. Let's move here. 1, 2, 3, go. Share the picture, please. Share. Okay, next camera.
Si Alvin na lang may idol.
Datang na lang.
Comfortable na.
Picture pa dito.
Paunahan lang sana sila tama na.
Please don't. Hindi na to.
Ay, kasi sabi, Attorney, mga sabi.
Sa Wednesday na lang po.
Aslaw.
So, muni, yate na.
Una na.
Magdawan.
Hindi na ko. Kita na mga nagadoan ni Tito sa sentro.
Ito, para na.
Yan. Kasi, kanya na ganito.
Wait, ito ka.